Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Snapchat account. So move along to the next step. Just go ahead and open up the Snapchat app, and as you can see right here, this is like the interface of the app. Now what I'm gonna just click on my Bitmoji at the top left, and from here you're gonna see my profile on Snapchat. Move along to the next step. I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my settings here at the top right. Scroll a little bit down till you find the delete my account or delete account. Back in the day, there used to be like a whole procedure to just go to I need help and then ask them that I want to deactivate my account, and they will direct you to how you can delete your account step by step. But here you're gonna see after the newest updates, you're gonna see right here in the account actions, you're gonna see delete account. Move along to the delete account right here, and it's gonna open up a new window for you. So basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just follow the instructions basically, right? So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna see right here, this is like the delete account section. Add your account or username and add the password, and then follow along the steps. But I want to bring to your attention that your account will be deactivated if you are initiating the delete account. Why? Because maybe you will have a second thoughts, maybe next week or 2 weeks from now. So basically, they are safely saying to you that you have time, you have 30 days, and after that 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. And if you want to reactivate your account before that happens, you can just log in like you are logging in normally, right? You don't need to do anything basically, right? So basically you have that 30-day window, right? And if you had a second thought, you're gonna reactivate by logging in normally. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.